Hey bro, welcome to this complete guide on how to integrate your Hostinger domain with Shopify. If you have purchased a domain from Hostinger and want to connect it to your Shopify store, then this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you will have a fully connected domain, making your store look professional and ready for business. So, let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify account. Head over to shopify.com and sign in to your account. Navigate to Settings in the bottom left corner. Then go to Domains section. Click on Domains from the left sidebar. Select Connect Existing Domain. Now enter your Hostinger domain. In the domain connection page, enter the domain name you purchased for Hostinger. Click Next. Now verify connection. Shopify will try to verify the connection, but it will likely fail since we haven't set up the DNS records in Hostinger yet. Keep this page open while we configure the settings in Hostinger. Now configure domain at Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger account. Visit hostinger.com and sign in. Click on domains in the dashboard and select the domain you want to connect to Shopify. Then go to DNS or name server section. Click on DNS or name server section. If the domain was previously connected to another hosting service, remove any existing A and CNAME records. Now add a record. In the DNS settings, locate the option to add a new record. Fill in the a record's details as follows. Type A, name point 223.227.38.65. TTL leave as default. Click Add Record. Add CNAME record. Now add a CNAME record with the following details. Type CNAME, name www, target shops.myshopify.com, TTL leave as default. Now click Add Record. Verify connection if Shopify. Verify connection in Shopify. Go back to Shopify, return to your Shopify domains page, click on the domain you added, then verify connection. Click the Verify Connection button if the settings are correct. Shopify will confirm that your domain is connected. Wait for DNS propagation. If your domain isn't working immediately, don't worry. DNS propagation can take up to 24 hours. After waiting, visit your domain and your Shopify store should be live. And there you have it. You have successfully connected your Hostinger domain to Shopify, giving your store a custom and professional URL. This setup improves your branding and makes it easier for customers to find you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial.